This is JK again. So in the previous videos we have covered about how to sign up in the sandbox. Okay, I mean why you need to choose all these steps. Now we are in the platform. No, actually we did cover about the accounts listings as well. Yeah, that's why you're able to open an account, you're able to submit the listings where you have configured the attributes, categories, and for also for the listing the same thing. I have explained about the commissions, like let's say if you want to take a commission model. So now we're gonna speak about how does our subscription works and how does the special fees works. um, for the Stripe it's better we do a separate it's gonna be in a separate video which will have some technicals, and I will involve my engineer on that. Alright, let's go back and configure our revenue models. So let's explaining the commissions. Okay, it's the session timeout. The commissions, if you want to have like commissions with like across the side, you want to have a same commission or like a commission by category. I have already like explained. Let's just create one more again. So I wanted to collect. Let's just say base commission. Okay, and put 10%. We are being it's on a roadmap where you can collect this commission from a seller which is the tutor, and also you can collect commission from the student as well. Okay, we don't have it here, but it's on our roadmap. Yeah, I need to activate this and I can create some categories. This is not tested here in the new admin panel, not like tested, I mean like tested a lot. um, so only for chemistry I want to collect 15%. Yeah, so if I save this thing, so for all of the categories 10% will be collected, and then for chemistry it will be 15%. Let me just dude, I activated that, man. Is it a bug? Okay, check with them. Yeah, so this is the commission thing. Then the commissions, subscriptions. Subscription is a very recent addition to our marketplace. Okay, you can use this from API level, you can use this for a web and all those things, but for app level it's gonna be a bit tricky. I mean Google Play Store will be okay, but Apple, when they find subscription, especially for digital products, and if it's not used by if you don't use their gateway, they call it as an in-app payment gateway. If you don't use the in-app payment gateway and then pay their 15 to 30% commission they charge you, they will not allow the app to run. Okay, so that means we don't have the in-app payments. I mean initially when we started this purpose of this subscription is for a client which is specifically for the website. What I'm going to do is that I'm going to show you an example. What I mean by that is that let's just go to subscription. No, sorry, that's stupid. I need to type the email there. Yeah, subscription not active message. Check your email for more information. You know what's going to happen when I put this thing? Let me sign out again. What's the first email we used? We used my email. Okay, you see I have already a two listing which we created in our previous experiment for her Rosa. You know what, actually if I wanted to change my name to Rosa something, I can change as well. For a joke we will just put JK scientist. I'm a data scientist. Alright, so if I'm going to type a listing, create a listing, you are not allowed to post a listing kindly check your email to continue. Why? It's because we activated the subscriptions. When we activate the subscription, people need to pay something before they can post a listing. So let me I want to email, but anyway, so you'll get an email. There will be a link. When you click that, um, it goes to a Stripe billing page or any other payment page you have created. Okay, and the Stripe billing page I will show you how it looks. Stripe. Oh yeah, actually, our engineer gave this is for another test we are doing. So it'll be like this. This is on the Stripe page. On the limit or the session expired. So never mind. This looks like this. When people click that link, yeah, it will look like this. It's opening. So you can have like different packages under your Stripe account. It will show you. People can subscribe, cancel, manage their billing. Stripe provide a hosted page for billing management, subscription billing management. All right. So that's the purpose of this. So I'm going to deactivate it because we need to post listings. So deactivate this thing. So that's the purpose. That's how the subscription works. But slowly, we're going to get the in-app purchases. I mean, Google in-app purchases, Apple in-app purchases for digital service providers. All right. Then special fees. What is special fees? You can read from here. I'm going to explain. So let's say this is 400. Introduction to usability, user experience is 400. And I'm gonna add a $100 additional fee. Just note down it's 400. So on top of $100 too high. $50 I'm gonna add, and then I'm gonna tell this in 5%. So maybe in a knowledge base or on a website, we will tell to our the tutors, this is our commission. So you can tell them, you put your price, we will do a markup on top of that. Yeah. Or if you don't use this thing, then it will just be the same price. I will also explain why this will be helpful and the use case where you can apply. I want to show how it works. I hope it works. We just recently got this in the super panel. Very good. So it's 400 changed to 470. It's because 400 into 5% is $20 plus the $50. Good job, that's it. All right. So yeah. So why it is useful? So when you are like running not a marketplace, let's say a B2C thing. You wanted to have in a B2C, usually the money will flow to us, the platform account, not to the seller account. So what you can do is that instead of telling like a commission or something, you can do this like a special fee type of information, because in the commissions you do only like percentage. In the special fees you can apply two things. Yeah, so it's like yeah, so that's the purpose of the special fee. One of our inspiration for the special fee is Airbnb pricing. In Airbnb, you have a commission, you have a special fees, then you have a special fee for seller, for the host provider, and then also they collect a special fee from the one who stays. The special fee that you can name it. For example, it's like a cleaning fee, or is it like a maintenance fee, anything. Okay, it's up to you. All right, so we have covered commissions, we have covered subscriptions, we have covered the special fees and shown to you how it works. The pending thing is that Stripe configuration. Should I do that? I'm not that technical. No. I mean, I know, but there is like one thing is missing in the type in setup. So I need that to be ready before I show. But anyway, let's just first do the payment methods. So for the payment methods, I mean, when you are like onboarding, yeah, you enable like different payment gateways. So if you want to like remove anything at a certain time, or if you want to like deactivate, you can do so. So yeah, and also in the same payment gateway, um, sometimes you wanted to control the checkout experience. For example, I'm gonna like log out. I'm gonna use another account I signed up for you. Personal email. Don't spam it. Use my. Okay, so this is gonna be a student account called Sarah. Okay, so if I'm gonna try to purchase, I'm gonna try to purchase. Add to cart. So if you want to buy the quantity, different quantity, you can do that. Yeah. So actually, if you wanted to for the education marketplace, I don't think you need a quantity. Yeah. So let's just no, it will not work because this just got it came to SuperAdmin today, and the code I have is not the latest code. Um, yeah, I don't think they pushed it. Yeah. So let's go to the shipping. So when you go to the shipping, currently what it shows, it's delivery. It has the shipping address, but for education marketplace it's not the case. So the course can happen at the tutor's place, or the course can happen at your place. So what does that mean? Course can happen at the tutor place means you go there. Yeah, so that means it's like, I'll show you. Do I have it in the documentation and image for you to explain that? Yeah, we have these two things called delivery and pickup. So when you select pickup, this is like you go to the provider's place. When you select self pickup, you're gonna find their address. Yeah. So for example, in self pickup, you can change the name. So in the shipping method, we have this delivery. So I'm gonna add this pickup logic, and then the name I'm gonna give it is tutor place. Okay. Status. This is for advanced users. All right, so I made it tutor place. So just see here. Great. So the delivery is what I mentioned is like the tutor come to your place. So if you wanted to, it would be nice to have another thing called online. We can have it where we can allow people to add the Zoom link. So let me just put student place. Okay. So the same logic will be used here. What is it? I mean the same the business logic, but in a different naming. Okay, so the student place. If I select student place, then the student need to add their address. Okay. If you wanted to, yes, I'm gonna make it faster. Okay. What if I want to put tutor place? If I put tutor place, look at this. Rosa, when she onboarded, she has selected location. That's her address. You have seen her address now. And also here in the pickup address, let's say Rosa decided that she do not wanted to provide the exact location due to a privacy issue. What she can do, she can go to global address, disable detailed address, because after she get the bookings, she can I'm gonna just put this thing, disable detailed address. Let's just refresh this thing. I hope it works. Replace. Perfect. So we got the approximate address of Rosa's address. Miss Social Dr. Rosa. Okay, Dr. Rosa. Then I go to checkout. Stripe is by default enabled. Why it's default enabled? Because when we selected, we enable Stripe. The next video we will see how we configure Stripe. But if I do that, I don't think it will work. But anyway, I'll just do it for you because we haven't configured it. I'm going to bring someone. We're going to do the Stripe configurations.